Hello everyone. The tool I'm working on is called as PcapXray. The goal of the project is to generate or plot a network diagram as well as highlight some important information about the network traffic given a PCAP file. So why use this tool? So the main problem that this tool achieves to solve or targets to solve is to reduce the investigation time of a network capture by the network forensics analyst or the investigator. So the solution is to speed up the investigation process by providing a network diagram of the packet capture file, highlighting some information such as the tor traffic, the possible malicious traffic, and providing details of the servers, the devices, and the traffic information involved in the involved in the network capture. So I would like to show a demo of the tool. So we would make a directory. I have my project hosted on GitHub, so we'll get our project from there. It is private as of now. It will be public very soon. I would like to set up a virtual environment of Python here. So we have our virtual environment and we have our files here. So to install all the dependencies, we install it from the requirements.txt file, which installs all the requirements for the project. So once this is done, we go into our source code, we find our main file there, and we execute it. So this is our tool. So I designed a Python TK GUI here for the tool. So I have some example packet capture files with the source code and examples, which has been taken from my machine. So here it goes. So we have the packet capture being analyzed, being read, and then we have all these options to display the network graph. We'll go with HTTP traffic. Then we have our HTTP traffic graph here from the host to the gateway with all the server information. And this is the HTTPS traffic. So the resolution of the image becomes kind of clumsy when there are a lot of traffic or when there's no traffic. So if we see all the traffic involved here in this packet capture, you can also view them here, as well as any tor traffic there. So that there is no tor traffic in this capture, and hence the hosts are displayed in a bigger clumsy resolution because there's no traffic. We'll try a tor packet capture, and look at the HTTP. There's no HTTP traffic for tor. So there's some HTTPS traffic, and as well the tor traffic. So the tor traffic data is got from the consensus, and tor traffic is being identified. We could also look into some malicious traffic. So I just happened to like netcat to a server running CTF, so that would be regarded as malicious here because the port is unknown as well as the IP is being unresolved. And that's it. That's it for the tool. We have some report generated here, which possesses all our communication details, all our device details, identified from the Mac, from the OUI database, as well as packet details. If there was a payload in HTTP, then it would be visible here. And then like all our graphs are contained in the report directory as a PNG files. I would also like to discuss more on the Nitroba case packet capture here and how it does like speed up our analysis. So uh, I'd like to show that too. So when we take Nitroba case packet capture file given in our assignments, the packet capture is about like 50 MB. So it's a very large packet capture. Uh, the tool still requires some optimization on the time it takes to process such a big file. So the Nitroba case takes like 5 minutes to like 4 to 5 minutes to finish all the analysis. This is including the packet reading, the name, like domain name resolving, as well as fetching all the the logic behind the packet analysis. So the HTTP traffic is displayed as such here. The PNG file as it is much clearer than the one displayed in the GUI. I'm working on the optimization of the resolution here, and then we could also like go and look at the communication details as well as the packet details of all the HTTP payload, and as well we can search for any names, possible names, and this gives us the session cookie being the culprit. So that's it for the demo. The tool itself like has a lot of optimization to be done, and some negative scenario bugs happening. So if you encounter any problem, please let me know of that so that I could resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you for listening to my demo. Thanks a lot.